Hi and welcome to Cooking from Scratch. In this video we're going to be making an Asian classic, beef and broccoli. So to begin, I'm going to start with about 1 to 2 pounds of cubed beef. You can use any cut that you prefer. And then I'm going to coat the beef in about 1 to 2 cups of cornstarch. And once the beef are coated, I'm going to cook them over medium-high heat in a pan with 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the beef have had a chance to cook, it only takes about 4 or 5 minutes. I'm going to remove the beef and set them aside, and then I'm going to start making the sauce. So to make the sauce, I'm going to start with a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes, as well as a teaspoon of ginger powder, and 2 cloves of minced garlic, as well as 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And I'm going to just stir these herbs in the remaining oil in the pan, just to allow them to bloom a little bit. And then I'm going to add a quarter cup of soy sauce and just allow it to cook for a minute. And then I'm also going to add a quarter cup of sugar and a cup of water. And then I'm also going to add 2 big crowns of broccoli that have been cut into bite-sized pieces. And I'm just going to allow this to cook with the sauce in a covered pan until they're fork tender. Next, I'm going to add about a tablespoon or so of cornstarch to about a quarter cup of water, and I'm just going to stir this together and add it to the sauce, and this will help to thicken our beef sauce. Once the sauce is thickened, I'm going to go ahead and add our cooked beef and just stir it all together. And to garnish, you can also add a little bit of sesame seed. And this dish is great with some rice on the side. You can use brown or white, whatever you prefer. And here's the finished product, beef and broccoli. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.